Hello everybody, I'm very delighted to be here today, after I think 1.5 years I was here ago too. I'm going to talk about grammatical research in general, and specifically our idea of, or concept of how we will try to bring robots directly to construction sites, to autonomously fabricate buildings beyond the usual factory settings. I was already introduced. My name is Kathrin Dörfler. I am a PhD researcher since 3 years already, and I'm part of the NCCR Digital Fabrication, meaning that I'm working in a very interdisciplinary environment. All the projects that I'm showing you are basically works that have been conducted together with roboticists, material scientists, structural engineers. I will start my presentation with the general motivation for on-site fabrication, and then I will give you 2 examples of very exploratory projects, which are not really construction projects. And then I will talk also briefly about our mobile robot, the in situ fabricator. So in the past decades, also from our side, the architectural community, we have been making significant effort to raise the degree of automation in building, construction and architecture. This has been mostly successful in the realms of prefabrication, so off-site automation, where parts of buildings are fabricated in a dedicated environment and then transported to the construction site to be finally assembled. Directly on sites, however, as everybody knows, the level of automation is comparably low, especially when you compare it with automation in other industry factors. For instance, as everybody knows, automotive industry, we never break the process chain between digital design and the final assembly of components. So the question that we are having is, what if instead of building factories to fabricate building components, we start to see the construction site itself as the factory, where a whole building is fabricated by automated machinery. So the question that we ask us is, what possibilities would open up and which advantage this approach would have compared to automation in prefabrication? And if it's possible that all the steps necessary in the production of a building can be following the same logic, starting from design until to the final assembly. And how can in situ fabrication processes even utilize the fact that we could use local ad hoc available material to lower the cost for transport and energy? And what is necessary also from the robotics point of view to think and eventually realize automated material deposition processes and assembly processes beyond factory setting, meaning that we're working in an unstructured, cluttered environment.